Hello student. So today I am going to start the revision of the chapter differentiation. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आज आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज या चॅप्टरचे रिव्हिजन करणार आहोत. डेरिव्हेटिव्हमध्ये आपण बऱ्याचशा मेथड यापूर्वी पाहिलेल्या आहेत. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजेच डिफरन्शिएशन. लेट्स स्टडी डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन म्हणजेच आपण चेन रूल यापूर्वी बघितलेले आहेत, त्यावरील एक्झाम्पलसुद्धा पाहिलेले आहेत. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ सेकंड मेथड आहे, यामध्ये डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन्स. आणि त्यापुढची मेथड आहे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज ऑफ इन्व्हर्स फंक्शन. आणि फोर्थ मेथड हायर ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज ही पाहिलेली आहे. पाचवी मेथड आपण बघितली आहे जॉमेट्रिकल मिनिंग ऑफ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज. सहावी मेथड बघितलेली आहे लॉगरिथमिक डिफरन्शिएशन. आणि सातवी मेथड जी बघितलेली आहे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज ऑफ पॅरामेट्रिक फंक्शन. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज ऑफ nth ऑर्डर ही आपल्या सिलेबसमधून कमी करण्यात आलेली आहे. तर आज आपण व्हॉट इज मीन बाय डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज डिफरन्शिएशन. The derivatives of f of x with respect to x at x equal to a is given by f dash a means derivative of a equal to limit x tends to 0 limit x tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. The derivative can be also defined as f of x at any point x on the open interval as f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. If the function is given as y equal to f of x, then its derivative is written as dy by dx equal to f dash x. Limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h is known as the first principle of the derivatives. And next, for a differentiable function y equal to f of x is delta x is a small increment म्हणजे small वाढ केलेली आहे in x the corresponding increments in y is delta y, then limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x equal to dy by dx. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज ऑफ सम स्टँडर्ड फंक्शन्स म्हणजे आपल्याला यामध्ये डेरिव्हेटिव्हचे फॉर्म्युले पाहायचे आहेत. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कॉन्स्टंट टर्म, कोणत्याही कॉन्स्टंट टर्मचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा 0 असतो. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स रेस टू एन इक्वल टू एन एक्स रेस टू एन मायनस 1 हा फॉर्म्युला पाहिलेला आहे. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 1 बाय एक्स इक्वल टू मायनस 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वेअर अँड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 1 बाय एक्स रेस टू एन इक्वल टू मायनस एन डिवायडेड बाय एक्स रेस टू एन प्लस 1 अँड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ रूट एक्स इज 1 बाय 2 रूट एक्स. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ साइन एक्स इज कॉस एक्स अँड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ cos x is a minus sin x and derivative of tan x is a sec square x. हे फॉर्म्युले आपण पाहिलेले आहेत. नेक्स्ट, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ sec x is a sec x into tan x. Derivative of cosec x is a minus cosec x into cot x. Derivative of cot x is a minus cosec square x and derivative of e raised to x is a e raised to x and derivative of a raised to x equal to a raised to x into log a and derivative of log x is a 1 by x. Derivative of log x to the base e equal to 1 by x into log a. हे फॉर्म्युले आपण पाहिलेले आहेत. रूल्स ऑफ डिफरन्शिएशन याच्यामध्ये आपण काही रूल्स पाहिलेले आहेत. इफ u and v are the differentiable functions of x such that first condition is y equal to u plus v, then dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is the rules of addition. And y equal to u minus v, then dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. This is the subtraction rule. And second is a y equal to u into v, means multiplication form. Then dy by dx equal to first function u as it is into derivative of v, means dv by dx, plus second function v as it is into derivative of first function is a du by dx, means y equal to u into v, then dy by dx equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is the multiplication form. And last is division form or quotient form. Y equal to u by v, y equal to u by v, where v not equal to 0, then dy by dx equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx and totally divided by v square. This is the quotient form. Okay. Derivative of composite functions and derivative of chain rule. Derivative of composite function. Derivative of composite functions means if y equal to f of u is a differentiable functions of u and u equal to g of x is a differentiable functions of x, such that composite function y equal to f of g of x is a differentiable function of x, then dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx is also known as the chain rule of the derivatives, means this is the composite function. या पाठावरील आपण थेरम सुद्धा पाहिलेला या मेथड मधला. याला काय म्हणलं जातं, dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. This is a chain rule of the derivatives. Okay. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रो, तर आपण कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन यावरील एक्झाम्पल पाहू. डिफरन्शिएट द फॉलोइंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. त्यामधील फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल आहे y इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5 अँड सेकंड एक्झाम्पल इज y इक्वल टू साइन इंटू लॉग ऑफ एक्स. आता पहिलं एक्झाम्पल जे आहे आपण पाहू. गिव्हन फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज given y equal to root x square plus 5. Let u equal to x square plus 5. Put the value of x square plus 5 equal to u. Let u equal to x square plus 5, then y equal to root u. The value of x square plus 5 is u, then y equal to root u. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of u is a du by dx. Derivative of u is a du by dx equal to the derivative of x square is a 2x and 5 is a constant term. This derivative is a 0. Therefore, du by dx equal to 2x plus 0 is a 2x. 2x plus 0 is a 2x. The value of du by dx is a 2x. Therefore, y equal to root u. Y equal to root u. Y is the differentiable functions of u. Differentiate with respect to u. Differentiate with respect to u. Differentiate with respect to u. The derivative of y is a dy by du. Derivative of y is a dy by du equal to the derivative of u is a 1 by 2 root. 1 by 2 root u. Again derivative of u is a 1. The derivative of y is a dy by du. Differentiate with respect to u means y is a differential functions of u. Dy by du equal to the derivative of root u is a 1 by 2 root u. Again derivative of u is a 1. Therefore, dy by du equal to 1 by 2 root u. 1 by 2 root u. By using chain rule is composite function. by using chain rule, dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. This is the composite function. Dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. Therefore, dy by dx equal to the value of dy by du. Dy by du is 1 by 2 root u. 1 by 2 root u means 1 by 2 root the value of u is x square plus 5. The value of dy by du is 1 by 2 root x square plus 5. Dy by du is 1 by 2 root x square plus 5 into du by dx. Into du by dx is 2x. Therefore, into 2x, this 2 and this 2 are cancelled. 2 divided by 2 is a cancel. Therefore, dy by dx equal to x into 1 is x divided by x into 1 is this multiplication is x divided by root x square plus 5. This is the answer of dy by dx. Okay. We will discuss the next example, y equal to sine of log x. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Second example is given y equal to sine into log x. Therefore, given y equal to sine into log x, put the value of log x is u. Let u equal to log x, then y equal to the value of log x is u means y equal to sine u. Differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of u is du by dx. The derivative of u is du by dx. The derivative of log x is 1 by x. The derivative of u is du by dx equal to the derivative of log x is 1 by x. By using formula, the derivative of log x is 1 by x. Therefore, the value of du by dx equal to 1 by x. Okay. And next function is y equal to sine u. Therefore, y equal to sine u, y is a differentiable functions of u, means differentiate with respect to u. Differentiate with respect to u. The derivative of u is, the derivative of y is a dy by du. Derivative of y is a dy by du equal to the derivative of sine u is a cos u. Resubstitute the value of u. The derivative of sine u is a cos u. Resubstitute the value of u. U is a log x, means cos of log x. The value of dy by du equal to cos into log x. Therefore, dy by du equal to cos of a log x. This is the value of dy by du. Dy by du equal to cos into log x. By using chain rule. Means composite function. By using chain rule, we use the formula dy by dx equal to, what is the chain rule? Dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. Dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. The value of dy by du is a cos of log x. Therefore, cos into log x. The value of dy by du is a cos into log x into du by dx. Into du by dx is a 1 by x. Into du by dx is a 1 by x. Therefore, 1 into this term, cos of log x into 1 is the cos of log x divided by x. This is the final answer of dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to cos of log x into 1 cos of log x divided by x. This is the value of dy by dx. Okay,